So, your Shopify store is live, people are visiting, they are even buying, but your profit looks like it just came from a diet. Don't panic. You don't need any more traffic. You need more cash per customer. Today I am giving you the secret sauce to boost your sales using something called AOV, even if you have never heard of it. What is AOV? AOV stands for average order value. It's basically how much your average customer spends per order. Like AOV is equal to total revenue divided by number of orders. Example, like you made $1,000 from 50 orders. Your AOV is $20. You made $1,000 from 25 orders. AOV will be $40. More per customer is equal to less effort, more profit. Why AOV matters? Higher AOV means you are making more without chasing more people. Same traffic, same ads, more cash. Basically, you stop hustling like a headless chicken. Strategy first, upselling. Upselling is like when you go to McDonald's for a burger and they ask, wanna make it a meal? You didn't plan to, but you say yes. If someone's buying $20 t-shirt, offer them the $30 premium one. Boom. AOV just got a protein boost. Strategy 2. Bundling. Bundles are where you package products together like a value meal. One candle is $15, a 3 pack for $40. Customer thinks I save $5 and my house smells like a spa. Done. Strategy 3. Free shipping resolved. Want to mess with people's brain in a good way? Offer free shipping over $50. They have $42 in their cart. Shipping is $5. You say, hey buddy, spend $8 more and shipping's free. You just become a mind reader. Strategy 4. Cross selling. Cross selling is showing products that pair well with what they are already buying. Like buying a phone, suggest a phone case, buying a pizza, suggest napkins or dessert. Strategy 5. Volume discounts. Volume discounts make people buy more just to save. Like one pair of socks is equal to $10. Three pair will be of $25. Customer thinks I will need them anyway, buys three. You win. Strategy 6. Buy now, pay later. Let customers split payments using Klarna, Afterpay, or a ShopPay. Like $100 seems scary, but $25 four times way easier to say yes. Strategy 7. Gift wrap add-ons. Offer tiny upgrades like gift wrapping, express shipping, or premium packaging. Like add fancy gift wrap for $4.99. That's an instant AOV boost and they feel boogie. Strategy 8. Post purchase upsell. After someone checks out, offer them one last sweet deal. Like thanks for your order, want to add a $5 accessory with free shipping. They have already said yes once. Easy win. All of these strategies can be added to your Shopify store, many with free or low cost apps. So remember, you don't need 10x more traffic, just a smart way to sell, increase your AOV, and your store become a money printing machine. If this helped, hit that like button like it owes you money. Subscribe for more tips to make your store go from me to yeah.